Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make Steam download faster. So guys, you can speed up Steam downloads by first checking your internet connection and closing any apps that use heavy data in background. In Steam settings, change your download region to the closest and fastest server and make sure bandwidth limit is set to no limit. Turning off download restrictions and enabling high performance mode on your PC also helps. Clearing the Steam download cache and pausing or removing the download can refresh the speed. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switching to a wired connection or moving closer to the router can boost performance. These small steps together make your Steam download much faster and smoother. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.